Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your WhatsApp have side-by-side view as you're seeing mine. Alright, chat will be displayed here, all your chat will be displayed here, and the chat you tap on that you want to reply message or anything will be displayed here as well. Okay, yeah, you can make your WhatsApp look like that of desktop. Alright, so stay back and watch this video to the very end. And today you are here with EgoTech. Alright, in this channel we teach about tech related issues. Okay, that's the only thing we talk about. Anything related to tech, but anything online stuff, that's what we talk about in this channel. All right, do well by subscribing to this channel and share this video as well. All right, okay, let's dive into what we have today. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp settings and click on chat. Okay, yeah, open your WhatsApp chat. As you can see, normally on your WhatsApp you can't find this option here. This option now that I secured, you can't find it on your WhatsApp side-by-side view. Definitely you can't find it now. Go ahead and check it out and come back and watch this video. Okay, you can't still find it on your WhatsApp. Isn't that true? Alright, so for you to activate this so that you'll be able to get the result that I showed you, what you have to do is go ahead and open the settings on your device. Open your settings on your phone and open your system, then look for this option called developer option. This one, developer options. Alright, if you can't find it on your device, I've made a video on how you can activate this, because normally it's hidden in every phone. Okay, you can't access this option anyhow, so I've made a video on how you can activate this developer option so that you can find it here on your device. Okay, I'll tag the video link on the description menu. You can go ahead and watch it and come back and activate your WhatsApp side-by-side view. Okay, alright, go ahead and open your developer option and scroll down, look for drawing. Okay, see what we are looking for here. See it, as you can see here, we are under drawing. Okay, and this is what the option that we are looking for, this smallest width. That's the option we are looking for. This one, this is the option that we're going to use here. Okay, if you can see yours, open your developer option and check yours. It will be at 320. This number here will be at 320, and as you can see, your phone is very bold. Okay, previously your own should be at 320, but edit it and put it at 640. Put 640 and tap OK. Your phone will be very tiny that you can't even manage to see anything. Okay, but what you have to do is go back and click on your display, then click on font, change the size to either large or largest. Okay, but me, I prefer using mine at large. Okay, I love it like this. Alright, then go ahead and open your WhatsApp. That's when you see that your side-by-side view has been activated successfully. Okay, so guys, do well by subscribing to this channel and on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop new tech updates like this. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.